Hello and welcome everybody. So today we are trying to make login application. Now this is a basic crappy design that I made yesterday. You can just tell by this confirm password thing. So we will try to make this one with Xamarin Forms. Let's open Visual Studio and let's get working. The first thing, let's create a views folder where we will put all our random pages. Okay, so let's get started on let's make the main page a navigation page. If you don't know what a navigation page is, yeah, I actually do not explain what a navigation page is, but whatever. Okay, so now we can navigate when we enter the application. Okay, so first we go to this main page.xaml and we launch it because I like to see the interactivity. The previewer in the Xamarin Forms doesn't have interactivity like every viewer ever. So first things, let's remove this stack layout because I don't need this. Yeah, maybe I need to add stack layouts. No. Let's first add, let's add the stack layout, I guess. Frame. Yeah, label first. Yeah, let's see. So we have this stack layout, so you have label and a frame. Inside the frame there is another stack layout which contains the username and password, and then the button for sign in. So let's try to make these. Label, it says welcome. The frame has a stack layout inside it, and it contains an entry. First one has a placeholder of username. The placeholder is the text that shows up like this when you have this entry. If you open this one, you see this text. This is entry. Okay, so it's trying to crash or something because it's building and doing stuff in a while. Whatever, we don't care about this. In this one, we check password, make it true, that the characters don't show up, and let's add a placeholder of password. Finally, let's add a button, finish things up. With the text of sign in. Okay, so the build is still building for some reason. Let's see. So this is what we basically need, I guess. Let's create another view meanwhile. Okay, so it's actually started or finished, nearly finished. Let's create another view meanwhile. Content page. Let's add a sign up page. Sign up view. So finally the application launched, and let's wait for it to launch completely. Then we can save our changes and put the With XAML hot reload, we can see the changes directly in here. That took unexpectedly long, yeah. So here it is, welcome to Xamarin Forms. So we don't need this bar, just like in the tutorial. Navigation page dot as navigation bar, set it to false. And let's save stuff and let's see how it looks. I know it will look like crap. Not bad for starting. For padding, let's add like a 30 or something. We want some huge padding. As you can tell in here, like this is huge. Not so much, but Okay, let's put the text in the center. So we use horizontal options center. In the stack layout itself, we want it to be in the center, horizontally and vertically. No, wait. Yeah, that like made it look like crap. Yeah, let's just put in the vertical options. Yeah, that's pretty nice, I guess. And expand, let's see. Not sure what is the difference between them, but whatever. Let's add a margin so this text can be like very far from this one. I guess the first value is for left and right, and the second value, if you put two values, it's up and down. So let's make that like 30 or something. Oh yeah, pretty small. Let's make it 60, I guess. That's more like it. So let's change the font size. Let's make it title. We'll check if it's like the one that we need. So the font attributes bold, line break mode. What's line break mode? I got it. Text color black, I guess. Yeah, that's pretty acceptable for me at least. Okay, so this is very huge. Okay, so what I have to do is like change this for 48 or something. And there we go. It's huge. Okay, now for the frame, let's search for a very good background color from these. Like maybe this. Okay, let's just copy this one and hope for the best. Well, that looks ridiculously bad. Unless we make the text like white. Let's check this one. Okay, let's make the text white. Hold on. Placeholder color. Let's still make it white. See? Yeah, that still looks bad. Hold on. White. Yeah, it still looks bad because just sucks. We just suck at this. I just suck at design. This is what is password means. You see, like makes the whole thing a password, which is just logical, I guess. Horizontal text alignment center. Let's check this one, horizontal text. So it doesn't do anything. No, affected. That makes this one finished, I guess. Yeah, let's just change the color for a better one. Okay, let's go to this one, I guess. Just like this. Okay, let's try this color. Yes, I suck at design. I'm really sorry. This requires a very black text. Let's just remove this one. Oh, crap. Nearly crashed my application. Okay, now we're fine, probably. Okay, with the button, let's make the background color like white. Text color black. And let's shadows. I don't want these shadows, they look very bad. Font size, yeah, let's just leave it like that then. Oh yeah, it's gone. Those are gone. Pretty good. So now we have like our basic crappy login page. Let's just add some crappy things, like a radius maybe of 20. We'll just turn these around. Well, that's basically it for the login page. So let's add the random button down there with the text of sign up. It will look really bad. Let's remove the background color, make it white. I actually can see this because the background of the application isn't white. I'm not sure how to do with the inheritance thing. Just make it white, and let's modify this one to white as well, so we don't have any problem. So now it looks very nice. It like doesn't show up that much. So let's go first and make this. Let's make this its font color. I mean text color. Sorry. Then let's make it blue, like it's a link. Yes, that looks very acceptable. Next, how can I add like that attribute? Font maybe. Oh yeah, that's probably enough. I'll check again how to add like that line, small line under the text. Border color border. Like probably none of these. Yeah, let's continue. Maybe we're taking so much time. Oh, we're 12 minutes and we're still in this crap one. Okay, so let's go. Let's do clicked. New event handler. Let's go here. Let's make this async. Let's await navigation dot push async. I think it's called sign up view. New sign up view. Let's fix the package thing. So these changes won't show up, I guess. Yeah, they won't. Until we restart the application. Let's restart the application and go to the next page meanwhile. Okay, so in our sign up view, let's go here. Let's remove all of this. So for these like static layouts, I guess having or using absolute layout or even relative layout is better. But I like using stack layout for no reason. Just to use stack layout for no reason. Okay, so now let's navigate to the other page. Okay, welcome to Xamarin Forms. So let's add a title. Let's call it sign up. And the title is what shows up here. As you can tell. Maybe you have so let's try navigation page. Let's back button title. Let's do login. Let's see how it looks. Didn't change, but whatever. Okay, now let's add frame inside of this. Okay, I think we should have added only the frame, I guess, and the stack layout inside. Let's save this so we can at least see the changes in the back button, hopefully. Yeah, it still doesn't show up anything, so let's remove this line. Save things. Okay, now inside of this stack layout, what do we have? So we have 4 entries: username, email, password, confirm password, and sign up. Let's add them quickly. So entry. So let's add 4 entries and the button. Let's use like the same color, I guess, from the main page, because that color sucked. You know what? I don't care. Let's hope. Yeah, this is very bad. This is so bad. Okay, now so vertical options is center and expand. Padding is 30. Okay, that's probably fine. Yeah, but it doesn't match with the colors in here. So when we click this, I hope we can get some color like this. So let's go get the color from our resources. Styles. Color primary. Yeah, that's probably it. Yeah, that's definitely it. We just can be the same thing, is it? Wait, this is not the same thing. This is not the same thing. Color primary. Color primary dark. I'm not sure what happened here, but this is supposed to be the same color, I guess. It's supposed to be the same as this one. It doesn't look like it. Let's remove vertical and see if it seems to blend. I'm not really sure. Maybe it's like it. I'm not sure. I just have the suckiest color choices of all time. Okay, let's just leave it like that. But let's make the text color white. Text color is white. And the placeholder color white as well. Okay, so let's placeholder is username. Okay, let's copy this. Let's just change here email, password, and confirm password. Yeah, I don't know how to change the border column. Let's try border. It doesn't look like it. So let's put here his password. Let's put true. Wow, unexpected. His password is true. Nice. But let's change the text of this one. Let's use sign up. Let's put the background color to white. And let's see what will happen. Let's remove the keyboard. Okay, very acceptable. Acceptable. Okay, now I have to search for settings. Where is settings? I really don't like it when everything like gets removed when executing stuff. That sucks, and I have to search for stuff now. Yeah, sometimes you just don't find things you were looking for. You get stuck with the randomness. Okay, let's change this later. Okay, so let's add a radius, because why not? 20, I guess. Yeah, that looks fine. Okay, so now let's. Okay, so the third page we have here is a user. Yeah, wait a second. Okay, why not we change the colors match this one, the main page? Because it really sucks to have like different colors in here. Okay, so let's put the same color in here. Let's go to Solution Explorer, Styles, put this color in here, and maybe the text. I'm not sure how to change the text color. Maybe it will change automatically. Should not leave this like that, I guess. Yeah, let's just leave it like that. I don't care. Let's rerun the application to see the changes. So in the sign up view, yes, this is what I was looking for. Okay, so nothing interesting in here. We'll just create a new view for the profile. Meanwhile, add a new item, content view, or yeah, whatever. Like they are all the same. So content view, let's add profile view. Okay, let's change. So as you can tell, the text color, like, it really sucks. It doesn't show at all. So maybe you have to do some changes in here. I'm not sure which one to change, but let's just search for full primary accents. Launcher background. Not sure. Right. Okay, maybe we should not care about this one. Maybe we should make this one like very dark. Yeah, just like this, I guess. I'll just take this. In here, let's change this like that. Maybe let's change this as well. So they can be this. So let's go to sign up. Yeah, it just sucks. Let's just rerun the application with the new colors. So in in iOS, it will automatically look beautiful. In Android, you have to make it look beautiful. Yeah, that's just the rules in mobile development in general. Okay, so we are past the 23 minutes mark. Let's just be quick. Okay, so let's confirm that this one will show up very good, and we will create the profile view in the previewer, because like there isn't any interactivity stuff in there. Maybe there is, but you know, let's just cheat and put it right there. And here I should make the colors go black. Sign of view. Let's change all these colors. Okay, now that looks pretty fine. Let's make the button have a radius. Why not? Yeah, that's pretty good, I guess. I'm not good at design, so my opinion really doesn't matter. Yeah, it all really sucks. So that looks pretty fine. Okay, now let's make the profile view. Let's put this emulator on the side. Let's make this. Let's minimize the emulator. Let's maximize the editor, and let's open our preview. So let's go for the Pixel 3, I guess. Pixel 3. Ah, sorry, this is the main page. Yeah, let's go for the profile page and use this. Let's update. Let's go with stack layout. Let's go with what do we have in here? The title. Interesting. Label. Then we have an image. The interesting part is that we have a rounded image. So yeah, I'll just add a comment in here and say rounded image, so I can remember to put. So for these rounded images, we'll need an extension, and I will show you in the next one where we will actually need to put interactivity or something. I'm not really sure what to do next. Maybe. Okay, so the text is. Yeah, so next we'll have 3 entries. Just if the user wants to change his credentials, and another button. So let's put an entry. Yeah, these look bad. These look really bad. Let's go for vertical options, center and expand, I guess. Let's add the padding of, I'm not sure, maybe 13, just like the others. Let's remove the navigation bar because it will look very bad in here as navigation bar. And now let's change this one to text. Okay, so in here we'll just so these brackets are used for binding expressions, which is like basically running C# inside of XAML, which is, I'm not sure, odd, but very useful. But we'll use just like normal notation, username profile. I just have to remember that this username I should change. That's maybe something. Okay, so let's put horizontal options in the center. The color, let's make it black. Oh yes, that's it, text decoration. I just forgot. Yes, that's it. Text decoration. Let's check that again in the page when we finish. Font size, let's make it header because that's very big. Not sure why IntelliSense stopped working for some reason. It just stopped. Okay, let's continue. Yeah, oh no, that's very huge. What? Large. Okay, let's go for 13, 38, 32. Yes, pretty acceptable. So the image after this will be here, and all of these will be pushed up and down. For this entry, let's add a placeholder of username, placeholder of email, and a placeholder of password. And this password is true. And the button change credentials. Okay, so not to make this video very long, I think we'll finish it right here. I hope you enjoyed like this crappy design video, and see you on the next time. See you on the next one. And don't forget to watch my YouTube videos. Even if they're bad, just tell me. Okay, see you next time.